Okay, here's the situation. My hair is getting out of control. I should have had a haircut 2 weeks ago, except there aren't gonna be any barbershops open in New York until at least May 1st. So, you know what? 10,000 likes. I cut my own hair next video. Please do not hit the like button. Please do not hit the like button. Please do not hit. We have an unboxing today. Wow. The postal service is so slow. I shipped this out to myself on March 17th, and it is just getting here today, which is mind-blowing. I wanted to ship myself my own mystery box. Well, not my own mystery box, but just a couple t-shirt designs that I really wanted to wear from my own mystery box. They're all shipped out of my office in Canada, so I just told my guys over there to ship me out a couple of the shirts that I really wanted, and they have finally arrived. If you guys do want to pick up April's mystery box, I'll leave a link down in the description. I really recommend it, especially for April. Number one, you get something awesome to look forward to while you're stuck inside. Number two, the shirts inside the boxes, in my opinion, are the best that we've ever done. My graphic designer is just absolutely killing it. Number three, the big items that we have in the boxes are worth around like $10,000 to $15,000 for the big item this month, which is absolutely amazing. Best item we have ever put in a box. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know what it is. If you don't, go follow me on Instagram. All the specifics will be announced, except if you want to get a box now, some sizes are sort of getting close to $50. Link in the description. If you guys want to pick one up, that would be amazing. It is always so exciting to get my own designs and be able to wear them. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's start with this one. This one is a little bit more simple, except it is really cool. Nonetheless, I was really excited about this one. It is the Stefanik University print, so this sort of looks like a university hoodie or t-shirt, and the thing I really liked about it is my last name is so weird looking that you could totally believe it's a real university. So it says Stefanik, established 1996. So I will be wearing this and enjoying this. Absolutely amazing t-shirt. Really like it. Nice, simple, clean design. But now this one, on the other hand, I am excited to see this. Hold up, let me look at it myself before I give it to you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What a great design. I don't know, I think that's absolutely amazing. The New York skyline, smiley face, New York. I love it. Wow. So many of you guys have tagged me on Instagram saying you really like this design in particular, and I can see why. Like, I mean, I loved it, obviously, that's why we did it. But seeing it in person for the first time ever, absolutely amazing. I'm so used to being outside and enjoying the fresh air as much as possible, especially springtime. It's starting to get beautiful. It's like 70 degrees or like 20 degrees Celsius outside today, which is amazing. And here I am sitting in my apartment. Thankfully, I do have one actually essential reason that I need to go outside today. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are coming at you with some we are coming at you with some very special programming today. New York is a city of amazing people and amazing things, and with over 8 million people living here, it's very seldom that you're able to truthfully say that you're the only person in the city that's doing something. But today, I can 100% truthfully, for the first time in my life, say that. As you guys probably know, retail across the country, and quite frankly across the world, has been closed. I go sneaker shopping a lot. That's been a bit of an adjustment. Today, this is not clickbait, we're going sneaker shopping. I know, I can't believe it either. It's a sneaker store! As many of you guys may know, my friend Joe owns a sneaker store in New York City, and it's closed and no one's allowed to shop, except he texted me and said, "Yo Tom, I'm gonna be down here today if you wanna come hang out and get some semblance of human contact." We're social distancing. Joe's over in another room right now doing, I don't know what he's doing. But I am here with a whole bunch of sneakers. I am the only person in New York City that is able to go sneaker shopping in a store today. If that is not cool, guys, I'm bringing you groundbreaking content okay, maybe it's not groundbreaking. Positivity, good mood, good times. Guys, we get to somehow at least sit here and pretend that things are sort of normal right now, even though they aren't. At least we can kid ourselves for the next 3 or 4 minutes. I have no standards. We are looking at absolutely everything. I'm gonna try and not touch a whole bunch of stuff. Actually, you know what? The store's not open. No one's gonna be touching this stuff. Germs can only live on it for a few days. We're good. Shattered backboard 3.0s. I bought a pair of these for way too much. I think I paid like $400, $450 at Flight Club. And yeah, I realized that's absurd. And I made a video of it. I got like 3 weeks early is when I got my pair. So it was 100% worth it. But now these go for nothing, especially in a size 12. Absolutely nothing. And I'll never wear my pair. I'll probably end up selling it for retail, to be 100% honest. If you guys remember a couple weeks ago, I got a pair of the yellow ochre Jordan 1s. Here they have the olive pair of the same pack. There was an olive one, there was a red one, and there was the yellow ochre ones, which I got. I think the yellow ones are the best, but these ones are not bad at all either. This is honestly just so exciting to be seeing all these Jordan 1s, pine greens, UNC obsidians. These ones are beautiful. I have a size 12 of these sitting at home in Canada that I still haven't worn. I know tons of you guys have been asking, Tom, what happened to your sneaker collection? You only brought 8 pairs with you to New York. They're still sitting in my condo in Winnipeg, Canada. If you guys were really curious about that, I still have all of them. These are nice as well. Women's exclusive. These came out on All-Star Weekend. The LA to Chicago's. This is one I've really been eyeing up. I'm not trying to spend a ton of money on shoes right now, understandably, just with everything the way it is. But this is one I would love to get in the future, the LA to Chicago's. And in a size 12, they're not terrible. I think they're like $350 in a size 12. What else do we have? We have like some random mid-tops. We have the top 3 Jordan 1s. The price of these skyrocketed. These used to go for nothing, like maybe $20, $30 over retail. And then they just doubled in price within the span of around 6 months. It was pretty crazy. Not a huge fan of these, but they're cool. It's a pair of Jordan 1s. They're cool. Yeezy, 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 Yeezy. Oh my goodness. We haven't had a Yeezy video in a while just because I haven't been able to get my hands on the new releases. But here's the, what are these called? The Desert Sage, I think. We have the Belugas. We have, what are the Lundmarks? Are these called the Lundmarks? I don't even know. I've lost track by now. But oh my goodness. Off-White Dunks, Travis 1s. Joe, do you realize I'm the only person in New York City that's able to sneaker shop in a sneaker store today?
That is a very, very nice privilege.
Check this out. Not only does he have the normal Travis Scotts, he has the fancy Travis Scotts in the fancy packaging, the limited packaging. I don't know if I think there's zero difference in terms of like, do you get extra shoelaces or anything? I think it's literally just the box. Now, this might be a controversial opinion, except I like this box way more. I think the colorful box that just comes with all the Quick Strike SBs is way cooler. By the way, have you guys seen those Ben and Jerry SBs? Oh my goodness. I know lots of people are hating on them and saying they're for fat kids. They're not for fat kids. I actually haven't heard anyone say that, but I have heard some really good jokes saying that people were saying, oh, you can't wear the Travis Scotts unless you can skate, and you can't wear the Ben and Jerry's unless you can eat 2 pints of their ice cream in one sitting. I cannot wait for those to come out. I'm gonna be picking those up 100%. I think they're amazing. Okay, I say that now, but they might resell for like $800 and be impossible to get, especially if they're not gonna be releasing in stores anywhere. I'm gonna try my best to get a pair. Oh, here we have all the heavy hitters. Okay, this is what I like to see. Not only do we have the Travis Scott 1s, we have the OG Human Race yellow guys. Wow, that's a good price, $1,450. I don't know if the price has gone down on these, but these used to go for $2,800, $2,900 brand new, which is really, really crazy to see that the price has been cut in half. Need I say more? Need I say more? This is the greatest, okay, not the greatest. I think the Off-White Chicagos are amazing. I think the original Prestos are amazing. But then I will say that this is my 3rd favorite Off-White sneaker to ever release. I just think it is beautiful. One of the best Off-White sneakers, and we have had a lot, but very few of them are getting anywhere near to the UNC Jordan 1s. We have some more Off-Whites, we have the Blazers, and then we have one of the original Fear of God colorways right here, the Fogs, what's the model name of these? I honestly don't even know. I just call them the Fear of Gods. I know there's some other Fear of God models, but this is just like the Fear of God Nike. If there's an actual model name, please let me know because I should really know, but I don't know. It's good to feel at least like things are a little bit normal and be able to walk around a sneaker store, even if it's not open, even if no one's allowed to shop in it, and even if the streets are completely empty outside. If you guys had to buy 1 pair of sneakers in this store, by the way, Dornbecker 4s as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pair of shoes. 1 pair of shoes in this store if you had to purchase that we took a look at. Let me know what you would get in the comments section below. Oh, and also when this pandemic is over, make sure to come down here to Sneaker Flea. It's in SoHo. My friend owns it. I'm occasionally here just hanging out, so maybe you could see me. I hope this pandemic is over soon. Yo, beautiful people. Crazy. Found Joe though. Hey Joe.
Hey.
We're far away from each other. Don't
Yes,
worry, we're
very
being
far.
socially distant, but it's just listen to how quiet it is. If you haven't been in New York, you don't realize how insane this is, but it's absolutely incredible. And Joe's a way better person than I am. He's giving money to that homeless person over there. Good job, Joe. Proud of you.